What is this that I'm seeing? Nadu. So this is what you've been doing when I'm not around. I can see the two of you don't have the fear of God in you. And I'm going to teach you a lesson. I am going to put the fear of God into you. Come.
Oh. Me,
Inke Obaba. Inke Obaba. Obaba.
Kofi. Hey, Shariha. Kofi. Charlie, long time.
Oh, Charlie, which you depend, you know they can't see you. So which it don't be so. It be school level so. Oh, I see. What bring you here?
Oh, Charlie, I can't search for Shadrach. I see say no day here.
Oh, Charlie, that your brother. Nowadays, if you can't work, you don't talk to anybody. Just come on, they can't tap. Then they think. I don't know what they think about. You forgot talk and you did the back there.
You did the back there.
You did there.
Okay, make a go check her.
Okay, go check her. Okay.
We go link up.
Okay.
One time, yeah. One time, why you live? One time, why you live? Ah, Ulome.
Away.
Me now friend me no. Who ni me di?
Oh, inti den. Se me mu dan ti den. Wo tin tantan na di ni nam krom ha na, me peda mo bo no pum. It's not a bokra na peda fi no. It's my boy na na den. Ha! Fin ankasa fin. Na wo,
I was so fin ni bi.
Wo, hwe, the reason why me ba in there.
Shadrach. Oh, Boga. Oh. What did they do for you? I don't talk you say it today with the bank. I can't dare you don't know class here I can't. What do you wrong you? Mini go on. What did you wrong you? Look here, Boga. Mini yo, come on. No be me them my baby. They want me down day school. You kaya. They English. Charlie, as we day school now with the love one our body. Few months after we complete, no, they just started show me attitude la. I bell her, she know the pick. She too, she no go bell me. I say last time I go in house, you know what they talk me? What she talk? She talk me say me, I no be a level. So make her forget them then, make her move on. Charlie, Boga, a couple blow no la. Shadrach. What's Shaneke? So they talk to this. No touching, no day. When no for touching. Don't like me small. You know say they love their baby. Shadrach, you be my brother, but you know they take my life. Charlie, don't give one and know you're here. I can't. You can't. Which part of I can't don't you understand? Is it the I or the can't? Me neighbor. When nephew? Oh, don't go. Oh, Buddha. Hey, make I give you some brotherly advice. See, now the girls of our generation, call Beshika, call Bekabari, Akeboya, I don't need to.
Me pedam be kachro. Na e won wo ba now. When we school no ni nam kro ha no. School po anko bi. Kese chiren. The anytime bi am hu wo me ban be sia na chi mu. Enya dama de. Enya dama hwe. Mu hu ni bi e wo mu. Me mie no kon, me twa no kon. Na mai chichinga mari. Hwe osro. Me ganse mu.
Ujo wenum pa this akwetete bia benim no. Well, na abeti bia ye no. What part try? We be hu ndenti afra mi Seaman.
Oh, Seaman ben. Wala be si na ko. Eni na mo na ye dede sisi. Ship be na wala for da.
Ko habo ko bisa. Ko habo Black Star Line. First back.
Masa Black Star Line we good da no.
No, noble vessel. When the max line. What do you mean? What do you take me for? I don't face the ship you are. I'm in the first person. What friend? I don't call you.
Eboa, ship be a new friendship or kakai.
Mr. Sakai, what wouldn't be a friend of break what it? Wouldn't you have a tuno? Try me and you see.
As a ship at 17 on my back. Mam, asemiti am be in there. Se muhu wo ba no. De wa ba mi fie ho bi wa. Pew me shooting.
Repeat be message then.
Me bokum no wewu.
E be shoot am member.
No wewu.
Shoot na ho na be hu rule of law.
Me wu den.
Rule of law no. E ho na ka be there. Yes, rule of law. O ya aduma.
Wala enyim hwe. Enyim hwe mi du echi kura wa hwe me kokum obi kura kwa.
Nonsense. Yes, try and shoot my sanity. I'll apply what the rule of law. Obana no na the rule of law. I'll apply the rule of law.
You know something? Study your trade. Learn them well. Then get money. You know they see your boss about to. You see how you employ menace for there. You know the money where they get. If you take any girl, you buy what they talk. So after you get your money like this, Obabe na open. Me you town. You get Coca-Cola shape. Allo na kan tununu girl say. Allo many you 11 slim things. Come on. Then go rest you. Burger. And bad no. Go where you okay. But Osmo you down. You know what be love. Only love what I be or bora mini. Come on for there, Jamie. Come on. Me no feel me na make bang be no eh. When no touch no fee. O fe basa. Dede. Take off Dede. Me cable. Demoya boy. Take my advice. It go help you. You buy what I talk.
Dede o. Ninkumi Dede o. Dede o. Ninkumi Dede o. All I need, all I ever wish for, all I see. Nobody after, nobody before. Oh, Dede.
Welcome from the Wonderland.
Thank you. This particular drag, me no me dapa. I'm much better.
Yes, I'll go hospital. Lo, Sanka won't go hospital. Eh, Bianca bet my worse than the ACNO. And I say now come a Seaman.
Seaman. He's been an angel.
Oba her last time no ko what's yan? When
Me hear them friend. And my phone see sees you. Anna.
Krasini, sa bush boy no. Amanda. Me say one you when only boy we enjoy one day you ha ni abefa ofuno.
Hey, my boyfriend offering the name Sano. He's my boyfriend and I love him.
Sorry ma.
Baby mommy na Mindy.
Shini wo.
Share my bag name 20 cedis bill.
Madam, how did they apija or the co.
They dare pager and you old share said the day for music MP.
I say emergency. She needed it desperately. Also about better outcome. Or client.
And I'm surely taking it or by major. Now, one can is can be.
Last card though, 5 CDs.
Nice girl, my last card of 5 CDs. Wait me a salty baby. Get me some noodles.
Sure.
Josie.
Hey, Treasurer.
How are you?
I'm fine. I see you keep on.
Adeo. Last time I come your day, I can't see Dede.
Oh, I see.
Chisi, I need your help.
You they need my help.
Hey.
What's up? We help that.
It be Dede. See, I love Dede. I won't make you talk last time, so say she go be mine again. I love the shoddy. Last time as I can there, she talk me say me I no be a class. Hey, or train prior me so. See, I have to run for my life, oh. Me come many brass in my house today. I didn't know today.
You know we say they laugh you. The thing where you talk now, it be fine. Okay, see, I go talk to her. You now, you know say the she be my girl. Anything I go talk she go do. She go listen. So I go talk to her give you.
You sure about that?
Trust me. I go put smiles on your face. You vibe.
If you say so. See, thank you very much. At the place, I go get some positive reply from you.
I go put smiles on your face.
You sure?
I dey talk you.
Hey.
I dey talk you.
Yeah, take care.
You too. I now chase her.
Not lie, oh.
Yeah, but I'm chase over DB.
Hello.
Oh, see, man.
Nice one. Thank you. What do you call hospital no? Yeah, sure, come on.
Oh, yeah.
What is saying?
Oh, yeah, pa.
Good. Number from sir.
Phone na say you.
What? I see. The phone ben out there.
Come iPhone 10.
iPhone 10. I'm going to make it iPhone 20.
Hey. iPhone 20 oh.
Abba di dada. And in US, Germany, China, not the debate. China, they don't want to buy you a China phone. Don't worry at all. I'm going to buy you the German type. I don't know the actual actually it's Liebedish.
Oh, I love you.
Wow! All right. Something small for you.
Oh, see, man. Thank you.
Good. You are welcome. That's right. I'm bringing your phone tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yes, son, I'm here, my dear.
Oh.
I don't want to waste time. I'm bringing your phone tomorrow.
Oh. Mommy says someone named Pierre.
Oh, yeah, sure. So are you ready for me?
Oh, yeah.
That's nice. Interesting.
Nadu.
Daddy.
Merhaba. Demu.
Okay.
No, why do you there? Me, Joe, no one could say I go school with you. Dominico. I'm from Bonn.
Awale?
Da.
And request when a teacher makes a banish show.
Na mummy. Ba no chapo na teacher mesa no go poda. Nlelepo.
Hey. Awale.
Da.
We me ba. Me na me wo. Wo papa ne me. Ni ampese me hu ani se. Woni ne hihye ho. Asa kan kwale wo mu ne kire me. Request on ne hihye ho.
Da anukwale shi. Beka yo mo ndwenda yo mo fe ndwan o gege gbeda na yo. Se nu shi. Nka yo lo kwa ka mi ni papa. Oda ne mu nka na le mu nka pu ale. Da ne ka na le nka pu sa ne pu ale. Se still nu shi.
Woni mesrew. Bo modern a ti ni amebeka ne yie. Ko na ko nye mo no Ma me. Can you stretch mommy here?
Kona konyim mommy.
That is it. Konyim say teacher ni baba no.
Hey,
me say nyem no mommy.
This one in the shop this anymore. Oga Dinaro.
Oh, Ajay. You're welcome.
Thank you. What's happened? This ceremony.
I just say, let me clean this place for you. As you can see, everywhere is shining.
So you mean say me I know they clean my shop well, or what?
Ajay, that's not what I tried to say. All I tried to say is that I just come here to clean, so I'll save you the trouble of having to clean this place, everybody. It will make you sweat everything.
Hey, Abeg, where the security man dey?
And the security, I didn't see. As I thought, Oscar was right at the gate.
The security man see you.
Of course.
He see you enter my shop.
Of course.
Come clean my shop for me.
Yes.
Alhaji must hear this. I will report this matter to Alhaji.
Ajay, why do you want to report the security man to Alhaji? The security man, he knows me. He knows that I'm not a criminal. I'm not a terrorist. If I was even the one who showed me where I can find the blue and the duster to clear sweep this place, why do you want to tell Alhaji this?
Oga Dinaro, what are you up to? Waiting carry you come. I won't know. You are up to something. Tell me. Tell me.
That's a very smart question. And you see, I heard say something that I go a car. So as I woke up in the morning as early as 5:30, I've got to clean this place. You have to bless me.
Bless you with waiting.
I mean, you know.
oh, be oh, cock any money be farm. Get be me let ba fe. So like into be na, into ma feel like ni no. Mo ko be ke bi asiton e han mi tomo. O ko gbe ni le ma fe.
Na say ubo modern nyem no mame a. Me ma wa award.
Ibo ba pay me.
Me tia o ka straight.
Ibo ba pay me. Eh! Mo nu mo na bo.
Say o ko.
Oh, me ko Banama Park ho.
Ah ko.
Say anopa bia no. Ngele pe Banama Park. Ni ajo legbe. Ke ya lorry station e. Ni awo le ke ya.
A good strategy. Winim ka ho sore ko.
There be problem. Dan ka be problem.
Me se kwanyem no mame.
Manyim nu.
Me se kwanyem no.
Me se manyim nu.
Ka ho.
Da ne. Ka. Me na de manyim obi ba.
Ni nkonto bi ode kro. Jimmy eti woni obi wo ho enenam na se me nka cha se kwanyem na won sa de nam kwakwansa sa. Jimmy ka ho kwanyem no mame ro. O to lege.
Bless you with drink. Even pure water. You know what they call pure water. You know go get from me. I see say you be wizard. They send you come meet me, Oga Dinaro. I go tell you why I be Mama J. Why they call me Mama J? Now I go tell you so. Oga Dinaro, you dey try me oh. My anger dey rise. You know me. You know how they behave.
But sometimes I don't even understand why you behave the way you behave. So you want to tell me that I've come from all the way from my house, I've left my wife and children at early as 5:30, and you can't even give me a half bottle of beer or even a drop of gin or hepatitis.
I send you message. Eh? Now me tell you so make you come early morning, come clean my shop for me. I send you message. I go tell you why they call me Mama J. Come off my shop.
Ajay, if you don't stop this kind of behavior, you don't go to heaven.
Which heaven?
You miss heaven.
If not because of you, I go hell. Let me go to hell. I won't go hell. Because of God now, I go hell. You hear me? So you think say they go market, go steal the drinks, come put them for here, Abi? For people like you to come drink for credit to go, Abi? You know they pay. Free man. Come out from my shop! This early morning. I never pray inside my shop. People like you come start. Come out too. Let me do business. It's too early. It's too early. Go carry your wizard. I don't know. Come inside my shop. Tell them you don't see me. Just tell anybody who send you say you don't see me. Clean for me. Just if I send you message. Come and clean for me. And they go to my now. Hey! I go tell you why they call me Mama J. You never see anything. Make I see you for this shop next time again. If you don't know where you come from, I go tell you.
Hey! Awale! Ay! Awale! Ay! Awale!
Oh, unya. Na me ma fans ya wumwe. No wa ye wonim kusu sa ne. Uma wan fans. Enye wo fans hunu na me hwate o. Enye wo fans hunu na me hwate. Me podo se odo na me hwe. Me ko akohia na adu, akoja no. Enye wo fans hunu na wo be ma me no. Na me tie kra. Awale. Aden na se me no hia wa no wa sa. Na me ma fans ya na wo chase. Wo nye so kra na wo pese wo chesen. Wo mi sister na asa ya na. Ana wo yare. Are you okay? And I'm saying, your fans who na me hwe. And your fans who na me hwe. Oh, okay. Here.
about 7 o'clock. Some de kwhwe kantamanto. Amanfo so bail. A wo mokoba, secret obi aye busy. What now say no pay say I'm in love. Are you okay?
Na mo you one kasa wu na kasa no. Wu wasora no pay wu bai. If na wo ko. Enye mi fe na wo ba. Wo be hwe say andra adwane adi no. Ase na aka no. Enye na wo be hwe edi. Wu wetum fu. Why onim bosan wu wetum fu.
Hwe, ma me ka bibi nkyere wo. Sabe mpanifo say ne o twa sa no. Onim se na chiachia. Samra mi tu fu yi a wontie yi. Wo be kwada dwen won wo say se shaba nya sesempa na wo kan sa no.
Se mi twa sa o mi se me chiachia emfa hu. Eti ko faule na mi family.
Relax, enye ntokwa God love you too much. Enye ntokwa na yekun. But na mecho enye ntokwa na yekun. Oh, okay, wo there. By the way, so ko na do. Enko na mi go jawe.
Unu wai ko ifa. Basi go bi akon fa woni twa ho. Basi ko. Upe sari ni pa. Obi kitani gas do bia na he oya. Oh, fa.
Minia. Anya ntokwa so. Wa hwe. Ne nan kitin ne hwe no to. Asa ilo. Ubuafu mimi tu fu kanya sasa mi ma okino. Ubuafu. O tinti ne ka ti sese boys abo mo mpadwuma no. Oba am. O de kalima no ko makon.
I have to see someone in this house for an important meeting.
Okay,
so
Daddy.
You can go ahead.
Okay.
We will meet in the house. Okay?
Thank you, Daddy.
Why are you thanking me?
Nothing, just a slip of tongue.
Are you sure?
Yes, Daddy.
Okay, then take good care of yourself.
Okay, Daddy.
No libi, no laba. Okay. Have a good day.
All right.
Bye-bye. Bye. This girl, why is she thanking me?
Nadu. Obadu pe. No do be mebo an
Sorry, it was my dad.
Ile aka no ba gbe. O dad nurse and no ba gbe. Obe na we station na. Bo ma je gbogbo.
Okay.
Chola ka ni no apa fe. Ani yen gbo wa.
Forget about him.
Oh, come on face le. Come on face le. Na ka face le.
Don't do that. You know he's older than you.
Older how many? Forget tomorrow no ba ho.
Daddy, I'm sorry.
You.
I didn't know he was waiting for me.
Is this the reason why you were thanking me?
No, Daddy.
No.
No.
I'm taking you to your school. I am going to tell your principal that